There's a new show in the world's entertainment capital, the International Artisan Bakery Expo. It's the first trade show in years aimed at artisan bakers. It ran March 5th through 7th. Iabe featured seminars and demonstrations on all aspects of operating a successful artisan bakery. As the leading artisan baking education source, the Bread Bakers Guild of America served as co-sponsors and the talent source for many of the presenters. BBGA members shared their expertise with the attendees, many of whom were there to learn whether their passion for baking could be parlayed into a new career. Unlike typical guild events of a day or more, each expo session lasted only 1 hour, requiring bakers to fold a lot into the mix.
I mean, I think it's a little bit like, the TV mentality where you got to prep the dough in so many different stages and then get it out to the public so they can understand the flow of traffic, so to speak, in regards to how to mix the dough, how to shape the dough, then how to bake the dough.
Was hoping that I came across that there's more ways to do certain product with a little bit different concept. That traditional techniques is good, it's fine, but there is needed to be clarification with so many more people coming in, different languages.
Walking the halls, expo goers could be transported into the day-to-day life at a bakery cafe, or glimpse the world of a baker who sells mostly at farmers markets. They heard from successful owners talking about the challenge of finding and keeping good employees, or learn about how to price their products and stay relevant in today's social media-driven world. The Artisan Bakers Expo was co-located with the International Pizza Expo, the world's largest pizza trade show. One ticket covered both events. Many of the same exhibitors appealed to both bakers and pizza makers, which made good marketing sense. And bakers already in the pizza world say the collaboration is right on.
Pizza is bread. It's just a different form of bread. And now you're seeing a melding of that science that was in passion from the artisan baking movement is now bleeding into the pizza movement. So there's now a subset called the Artisan Pizza Baking Movement.
The BBGA booth was popular, with visitors inquiring about membership and guild resources. Member authors signed copies of their books, further connecting with interested readers.
We have not had an annual industry-wide get-together. We have Wheatstock every 3 years, and there's IBIE, which is just kind of all over the map, but nothing specifically designed on an annual basis for the artisan segment, and nothing that brings to the same extent buyers and sellers together. And so I think that it's an opportunity for us in the Guild to expand our reach throughout the baking industry, and it's an opportunity for the baking industry to get to know us better.
New sign-ups helped push Guild membership to over 2,500, and Expo management says about 2,000 attended or exhibited at the first event. The plans are to hold it again in 2020. At the 2019 Artisan Bakery Expo, this is John Kwasnowski reporting.